We are here with Philip. Hey, Philip, thanks for joining us
Damon.
today. So we talked to Isaac about a little bit about the EtherCAT and the topology choices, but also really there's some more you can do. And I come to you because you have a good background in the test and measurement space. You've been in that for quite a few years before coming to Beckhoff, so you're really familiar there. And so that's the test and measurement space. We're really in the technology, what would be called, traditional automation tool space. Yeah, but there's a lot more that's happening with the merging of those two things, right? So what is the industry really looking for in that space?
So there's two things that we are seeing. Number one, you get the machine OEMs. They want to measure the health of their machines. A good example of that would be measuring vibration on the machine or the force on a milling tool to make sure it's still sharp.
Maybe some predictive maintenance?
Yes, things like that. And then on the other side, you get the end users that want to do inline testing or quality checks as the product runs through the production line.
Totally.
The cool thing about the Beckhoff solution, it's fully integrated. It brings all the necessary components and it's open. So our solution fits very well to both these two different use cases.
Okay, so I'm hearing like the backbone of everything you can really do, kind of that high-speed data collection and things. So as a test engineer, maybe I know those tools. I know the graphical programming environment. I come from that space of chassis and Pixie and things like that. How can I get started as a test engineer? Like, is there something here in the Beckhoff portfolio for me?
Yes. Okay. So before we dive into the answer, I want to differentiate between the two different testers. So on the one side, you get pre-production validation testing. That validates the design of the product. And on the other side, in production, you get automated production testing, which measures the quality of the product being manufactured. Again, Beckhoff's complete solution offers a great fit to both these two different types of testers.
Okay.
Going back to the question, we offer high-speed, high-resolution, calibrated measurement terminals. These terminals automatically takes care of all the signal conditioning, the scaling, and the filtering, so you get good quality data in. Combine that with EtherCAT. EtherCAT helps us to do very tight synchronization across multiple subsystems in the architecture as well as channels. And it also gives us a proper data highway to bring these bulk test data back to the IPC.
Okay, yeah, high-speed pipeline.
Yes, for analysis and visualization, those kind of things. And then the last component to that is Beckhoff is really the one-stop shop with TwinCAT. It offers the PLC, the safety, the motion, vision, many more, even things like data analytics. And it's also open so that you can connect to like third-party software like MathWorks or LabVIEW. And we also see uptick in the use of Python as well in this space.
Okay, great. All right, so what are we showing here? What are we highlighting at the show?
Good. Okay, so we've got the FSC wall. XFC stands for extremely fast control. This is the capability that we've got in our measurement terminals that will allow us to do oversampling and reach sample rates up to like 50 kilo samples per second per channel across multiple channels. And then you had a question before I move on. Any case, we'll move on. So on the TwinCAT table, we've got a demo showing how we bring these complicated signals in and do the signal conditioning. And then also how we visualize it on the screen. And then we also have a demo there showing how we do the tight synchronization.
Okay, perfect. All right, so what I'm hearing is whether you're doing a standalone test case or bringing, testing of the quality of the product to the machine, basically there's some solution here, even tying to third-party software like, for example, LabVIEW, there's a connector.
Yeah.
So, okay, cool. There's quite a suite with test and measurement.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Good.
Thank you, Phil.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.